What are the best methods to relieve sulfur burps and diarrhea?
Hello there. Today we'll be addressing a common but often uncomfortable issue: sulfur burps and diarrhea. This can be a rather unpleasant experience, and it's crucial to understand what's causing it and how to effectively manage it. So, let's dive in and learn how to tackle this issue safely and effectively.
What causes sulfur burps and diarrhea?
Before we jump into the solutions, it's important to understand what causes sulfur burps and diarrhea. Sulfur burps are often the result of eating too much protein or foods that are rich in sulfur, like eggs and meat. Certain bacteria in the gut can also produce hydrogen sulfide gas, which has a smell similar to that of rotten eggs, leading to sulfur burps. Diarrhea, on the other hand, can be caused by various factors including food poisoning, infections, certain medications, and some gastrointestinal conditions. When both symptoms occur together, it may be due to gastrointestinal disorders, infections, or certain dietary habits.
Dietary changes to relieve symptoms.
One of the most effective ways to alleviate these symptoms is to adjust your diet. Avoid sulfur-rich foods such as eggs, meat, and dairy products, as well as processed foods and sugary drinks. Instead, opt for a diet rich in fiber from sources like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, which can help regulate your digestive system. Also, be sure to stay hydrated, as this can help alleviate diarrhea.
Lifestyle changes for better digestive health.
Besides diet, making certain lifestyle modifications can also help. Regular physical activity promotes healthy digestion, while stress management techniques such as meditation or yoga can also be beneficial. Avoiding alcohol, caffeine, and smoking can also help to reduce the risk of gastrointestinal upset.
Over-the-counter remedies and when to see a doctor.
Over-the-counter remedies like antacids can help with sulfur burps, while antidiarrheal medications can alleviate diarrhea. Probiotics may also help to restore a healthy balance of bacteria in your gut. However, if your symptoms persist for more than a few days or are accompanied by severe pain, fever, or blood in your stool, it's crucial to seek medical attention immediately. These could be signs of a more serious condition that needs professional medical treatment. Sulfur burps and diarrhea can certainly be uncomfortable, but with the right knowledge and strategies, they can be effectively managed. Remember to monitor your diet, make beneficial lifestyle changes, and don't hesitate to seek medical help when needed. We hope this guide has been helpful and wish you the best of health. Stay strong, stay informed, and take care.